Delicious food and wonderful wine, that almost always fits. But wait, is that sparkling wine? With the main course, is that possible? Yes. Sommeliers and wine lovers agree on this more and more often. It is important that the drink and the food harmonize. You can certainly find sparkling wine that harmonizes with every meal, because food is very versatile and sparkling wines range from very light to really powerful, opulent. It can even be paired with red meat. Overall, wine consumption in Germany is declining, predicts the German Wine Institute. Health awareness is cited as the main reason, but also immigration from Muslim countries. However, the average price for wine in Germany is increasing, and according to the German Wine Institute, this speaks for quality awareness. Germans are increasingly looking for quality, but you also have to take into consideration that quantity and price influence each other. And in 2017 we had an extremely poor harvest worldwide. The offer was relatively small, and of course that is also reflected in the price. Almost 11 million hectoliters of wine were produced again in Germany in 2018, thanks to a fantastic summer and deep roots of above-average quality. A blessing after the bad year of 2017. So at the trade fair ProWein, there will be a lot for distributors from all over the world to choose from. And then we will find out if the trend sparkling wine with dinner prevails.